Okay, good morning. So today, as scheduled, profit and loss, right? So I just want the students to confirm whether the audio and video is clear. Please, in the chat box, you can put S. Yes. Okay. So anybody other than Tamil students, those who don't understand Tamil? Any students who don't understand Tamil, please type. Okay. Okay. So I'll be mostly in English. Class will be in English. Okay. Oh, fine. So before taking the class, I just wanted to introduce myself. Myself, Ramesh Sadashivam. I work for IIT Palakkad as an administrative officer. I was full-time teaching CSAT at Shankar IAS Academy 2011-12 during that period, 2011, 12 and 13. I'm one of the trainer, like doing most of like doing the classes from the initial stages when CSAT was introduced. From that time period, we were I'm into the field almost a decade. So I'm happy to engage you for the session ratio and proportion. Okay. So any doubts, you can WhatsApp me. You can, whenever I ask questions, you can ping me separate because others may be doing the answers that may distract them. Whenever you reply for answers, you respond only to me, or any other queries you can post for everyone. Okay. So all set. Can we start the class today? Yes. Good. So before, like I just wanted you to solve some basic questions in ratio. Okay. So before understanding what is ratio, okay, I think you might have heard ratio in some way, some of the other places, right? While doing maths, I'm just pasting few questions on the screen. Before getting into what is ratio, let us try to solve this question. Can you able to see the question? Yeah. In a class, there are 20 boys and 40 girls. What is the number of boys to the girls? What is the ratio of the number of boys to the girls? Right? So it's very simple. Boys is 20, girls is 40. When I put this into ratio, 0, 0 cancel. Boys to girls ratio is 1:2. Agree? We just simplified it. Simplified it. Right, very good. We just simplified it. Anybody having doubt, you can raise it then and there, no issues. I will help you out. Okay, yes. Next is Ravi walks 6 kilometers in an hour while Roshan walks 4 kilometers in an hour. So what is the ratio of the distance covered by Ravi to the distance covered by Roshan? It is again 6:4, that is 3:2. Right? So this is the distance covered by Ravi and Roshan. Okay. So let's come back to understand the point. Okay. What is this ratio? Yes. Okay. I have given two examples, ma. This is like rupees. Let us see these two examples. Let's understand this. One is Isha. Isha's weight is 25 kg and her father's weight is 75 kg. How many times father's weight is of Isha's weight? Because father is 75, Isha is 25. The ratio, if I simplify, both are divisible by 25, 3:1. So can I say Isha's father is 3 times that of Isha? Isn't it? The ratio is 75 is to 25. That can be simplified as 3 is to 1. So I can see Isha's father is 3 times. Right? I hope you all are clear with this. Next one, a cost of a pen is rupees 10 and the cost of a pencil is rupees 2. So 10 is to 2. Simplifying this, 5 is to 1. Is it clear? 5 is to 1. So the cost of the pen is 5 times that of the pencil. Right? If first question pathina, Isha would a father would a weight 3 times. Adhe madri, in the example pathina, the pen is costing 5 times that of pencil. Okay. I hope except one, others are from Tamil Nadu, right? I just wanted to confirm once again. Anybody who doesn't understand, I got one reply. Okay. So Vanangil Malayalam Paraya. Okay, no issues. So I think all are from Tamil Nadu background, right? So I no problem in speaking in Tamil in between. All right. Okay. Okay. Telangana. Okay, then I'll go with English mostly. Anybody don't understand specifically if I ask? So I will tell you. Okay, so okay. Then there are mix of students, right? Is this clear what we have discussed now? Like it is the Isha's father is 3 times, the pen is 5 times, right? We have compared two quantities. One is Isha's father, one is Isha's weight. But what we are comparing? We are comparing the same quantity for two different people. What we are comparing? Weight. Got it? Here again, cost of pencil and pen. Is it clear? This comparison of how many times the cost of the pen, that of pencil, this how many times is called as ratio. When you are comparing two quantities of same kind, in the first case we are comparing the weight, in the second case we are comparing the cost, but we are comparing two items. Is it clear? Okay, this is the basic concept of ratio when we compare two quantities in terms of how many times one is the other. This comparison is known as ratio. For example, if there are 20 girls and 40 boys, we are checking that. One second, I'll just close the window. We are checking that how many times the number of girls is the other side of the boys. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So we will move on to some simple questions. The first question is, Saurabh takes, can you please solve this question? Yeah, I have 3 questions. Once you solve all the 3, give me the answers in my direct message. Yes, I'm getting answers. Very good. Okay. You are answering yes. Correct. So let me explain. There was some query. So first, okay. So first one answer 1:4 or 4:1. Okay. See here, Saurav takes 15 minutes to reach school from his house. Okay, just give me the answers for this three. I hope most of you have solved the answers. So the first question is 15 minutes. Saurav takes 15 minutes and Sachin takes 1 hour. This is in minutes. This is in hour, right? So this both are in two different units. Minutes and hours, we cannot directly put it in the ratio 15:1. Understand it? This both are in two different units. So if this is 15 minutes, 1 hour is nothing but 60 minutes. So I can convert this into unit. So now the ratio of Saurabh to Sachin, 15:60, 1:4. So Saurabh to Sachin is 1:4. Right. Is it clear? Yeah. I'm getting a lot of answers. Any queries? I'll check. Yes. The second one is coffee. Cost of a toffee is a chocolate is toffee is 50 paise. Chocolate is 10 rupees. Now I need to find the ratio of toffee to cost of the chocolate. 50 paise, 10 rupees. Right? 100 paise is 1 rupee. So can I write this as a 0.5 rupees? Half rupee. Because 1 rupee needs 100 paisa. 100 paisa is 1 rupee. So 50 paisa is half rupee. So 0.5 is to 10. Isn't it? So how to remove this decimal ma? Into 2. If you do into 2, 0.5 into 2, 1. So similarly, you should need to multiply this side also by 2, 20. Just to remove the decimal. What I have done is, I have a ratio called 0.5:10. So the decimal is in fraction. And just if I multiply by 1, no change will happen on the both the sides. The decimal will not go if I multiply by 1. So I multiply by 2 on both the sides. So 0.5 into 2, 1, 10 into 2, 20. So the ratio of toffee to chocolate is 1:20. The third question is, in a school there were 73 holidays in 1 year. What is the number of holidays to the number of days in the year? Yes, 73 is holidays, 365 is the number of days. I think 73 can be easily divided 365. How I can confirm, I'm saying in the sense, in mentally what I will do is 73 into 10, 730. Yes, half of this is like, it looks 365 very easily because mentally I do 700 half is 350, 30 half is 15. Yes, it gives me 365. This goes for 5 times, 1:5. You understood? Is it clear, these three? Anybody having doubt before moving on to the next? You have to check when you are comparing these two items, any two quantities, the both should be in the same quantity. In our first case, one was in minute, one was in hour. We converted minute into hour. Sorry, hour into minute. So for us, same unit. In second case, paisa to rupees, 100 paisa is 1 rupee. So we converted. Third question, 73 is to 365, 1:5. Yeah, so that mental calculation, what I will do in the sense, when I see this, usually whenever it is my way of doing this, 73 into 10, 730, right? It's very easy to do. Mentally, it's very easy to do. So what I will do in the sense, in 730, in my mind, I will take 730 because 730 is 350, 30 is 15, yes, 365. Is it clear? If it is still less, we will go below 5. Is it clear now what I will do mentally? If it is a different number, if it is, for example, 842, mentally what I will do, if I want to find half of this, if I want to take half of this, 800 half is 400, 42 half is 21, 421, answer is done. If it is 782, I want to take half of this. 700 half is 350, 82 half is 41, so 391. Mentally, I can able to find. This is the way I try to solve the questions. Got it? Okay. So now you all able to understand what is a ratio, right? So what is the ratio when you compare two quantities of same kind? Clear? So now let's for some basic fundamental question, then we'll come for our worksheets. Okay, I'll give you two questions. I want patapat answers. I'm starting from the scratch, dear students. If you have any doubt, please raise it, clarify there itself. There is no differentiation or integration involved in this. It's only a basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I hope you all able to do that. Can you please solve these two questions, ma? Fast. See, if it is a leap year, the concept is totally different because one day extra we will get. But here we are trying to understand only the ratio concept. Leap year, we will take it in a separate calendar topic. Got it? Good. Everybody, it should be an interactive class. Okay. Everybody, please answer the questions. Good. Yes. When I want to divide the 60 rupees, okay, 60 rupees in the ratio between 1:2, between Kriti and Kiran. So totally how many parts I'm going to divide, ma? I'm going to divide into 3 parts because I'm going to give 1 part to Kriti, 1 part to Kiran. So totally I'm going to divide this into 3 parts. So if total 60 is divided by 3, 60 by 3, 1 part is 20. Are you able to understand, everybody? We are going to divide rupees 60 between Kiran and Kirti in the ratio like Kriti and Kiran 1:2. It means that we are going to divide into 3 parts. The total amount is going to be divided into 3 parts, right? If it is 3 parts, total amount is 60. 1 part is going to be 20, right? If 1 part is 20, 2 part is going to be 2 into 20, 40. So Kriti will get 20, Kiran will get 40. You got it? First thing you need to understand how many parts you're going to divide. Then divide it by total amount which you're going to divide. So this 20 is nothing but 1 part value. Once you get this 1 part value in your hand, you will write anything, any part you can able to write it. Is it clear? Yes. Next one, there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. That means total strength is 35. Any questions? I'm just going to the WhatsApp group. Sorry, chat. No. I'm not started the book, ma. I'm just doing only these fundamental questions. These are some basic questions. I'm trying to make you to understand. Okay. So worksheet they had given. I think you have a book. with page number 125 where this ratio proportion starts, right? I will show you in the screen. Two worksheets we are going to do, right? Okay. So I'm here to start the booklet which is given by Institute. Okay. I just wanted to make you to understand the things. Yes. So coming here, yes. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Girls is 20, boys is 15. So ratio is 4:3. Right? Number of girls 20. Total number of students 35. So 20:35 is nothing but 4:7. Because they are asking number of girls to the total number of students. Girls is 20. Total number of students being 35. Both divide by 5, 4:7. I hope everybody is clear with this question. All of you are clear with how to solve a ratio basics, right? If it is given in, if a particular amount is given, how to divide it in the ratio. I'll give you some numbers. Okay, 420. Divide this into 4:3 ratio. Please divide the amount in the ratio between A and B, 4:3. Tell me how much A will get, how much B will get. What's the answers you giving? 240:180. Yes, very good. What is one part value here, ma? Because we are going to divide into 7 parts. Is it clear? We are going to divide into 7 parts. If 420, if you divide into 7 parts, okay, it's one part is 60. How many of you are given answers? Let me check. 60 is one part. Yes. If 60 is one part, A will get 4 parts of 60, that is 4 into 60, 240. B will get 3 into 60, 180. Is it clear? This is very, very fundamental. This is a very fundamental concept. You may think this looks silly, but this is the basic concept. You understand this 4:3 is going to be multiplied by some common value on both the sides. In this case, it is 60, right? 4 into 60 and 3 into 60. This X is nothing but one part value involved in this ratio, one part value. Clear? Okay. I will be giving another question, another example. You bought some like cubicles, okay? Like for example, or beakers, like this. You bought a dozen, okay? You bought a dozen of beakers for a lab. You consider this as a beaker, man. So dozen in the sense how many, man? A dozen is how much? Yeah, 12. Very good. For example, you have dropped a dozen of mirror articles on the floor. Okay, you have dropped a dozen of mirror articles on the floor. What happened is some got broken, some got not broken. That means by mistake you dropped a dozen of beakers on the floor. Some of the beakers were broken, some were not broken. Now I'm giving you the ratio. Which of the ratio will not be the, first of all, I'll complete this. Which of the following cannot be the ratio of broken to non-broken beakers? Understood? This among this four, you have dropped 12, you have dropped 12 beakers, glass beakers on the floor. In that case, some of the beakers were broken, some were not broken. In that case, which of the following options cannot be the ratio of broken to the non-broken glasses? This is again gives you clarity on the ratio concept. No, we can determine it. Suganya, we can determine it. A is not the correct answer. Yes, I got answer. Good. Very good. So let me explain you. There are two options in this question which cannot be possible. There are two options in this question which cannot be possible. Yes, some of you telling one option, some of you telling both options. Yes, I will tell you. If it is total beakers is 12, what is this 4 plus 3? 7. Can I able to divide 12 into 7 parts? 7 equal parts? Not possible because 12 will not divide to 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. But 2 can able to divide 12. That means one part is 6. So in this ratio, 6 broken, 6 not broken. This is possible. Next 2 is to 1. Total 3. 12 can be divisible by 3. One part is 4. In that case, 2 part is 8. One part is 4. This is also possible. Can you able to divide 12 by 5? Because 1 plus 4 is 5. Because 5 will not divide exactly 12. This is also ruled out. So option A and D is cannot at any case, it cannot be chance. But what are the probable chances, ma? What are the probable chances? For example, if this is broken, this is not broken. Our total is 12. Let us consider minimum broken is 1. So maximum not broken is 11. 2, 10. 3, 8. 4, 7. 5, 4. This is 9. This is 8. 7. 6, 6. If this is 5, again this will become 7, 5, 8, 4, 9, 3, 10, 2. Can you able to understand? These are the different chances. So in this ratio, nothing is coming out. So 1:1 ratio, which 6:6 is 1:1 ratio. 8:4 is 2:1 ratio. But the other ratio is 4:3 and this will never come. Anybody having doubt in this question, ma? Anyone? If you have query, I will explain you why A and D will not able to put it in the ratio 4:3 and 1:4. Because 12 will divide the total number of parts. Please reply if you are at least one or two. If you are having anybody having doubt, please tell me, or else we'll move on. Very good. Why I am because stressing in the sense the concepts are very important. The clarity is very important. So this is the fundamental topic we have just basic we are starting. So don't lose that track. We follow. We can directly once again in the sense which you want me to tell, that also please tell me. This last question, beaker question. Yes, I'll tell you. See here, the 12 is the total number of articles, ma. If 4:3 is the broken to non-broken ratio, totally it should be divided into 7 parts. 12 will not divide 7 at all. Then how it is possible? That is not possible at all. Similarly, 12, 1:4. Totally you need to divide 12 into 5 parts. I will not divide in because 5 will not divide exactly 12. But in this case, 1:1, total 2, 12 will divide, 12 can be divisible by 2 exactly. 12 can be divisible by 3 exactly. Is it clear now? Sir, 1:4 option, why did you reject it? 1:4, 1 plus 4 is 5. So I need to divide 12 into 5 parts. Will 5 divide 12? Exactly? No, it cannot divide. So that is the reason we are omitting that. Okay, we'll go for the next. I hope you have the worksheet. You have the book or worksheet, ma? How you are having? You have the CSAT book, huh? Can anyone please confirm? Worksheet. So can you please take that ratio and proportion 1 worksheet if you have? You can keep it yours with you. Anyway, I'll be posting it in the screen. Okay. Before that, before doing that, let me give you an UPSC question based on a ratio. Okay. So based on a ratio question, I'll give you, it was asked in UPSC. Give me a second. I'm just pasting it here. Then we will move on to the worksheet. I just wanted to give you the confidence that you will able to solve with whatever the knowledge we discussed till now using elimination techniques. Okay. Okay. Can I clear the screen? Yeah. This was asked in UPSC 2013, a question on ratio. Read the question carefully. In a rare coin collection, there is one gold coin for every 3 non-gold coins. If there is a 1 gold coin, there will be 3 non-gold coins. But we don't know total number of coins, we don't have idea. If you add 10 more gold coins, the ratio of the gold coins to non-gold coins is becoming 1:2. Previously, gold to non-gold is for 1:3. Right? Understand? The gold to non-gold coins is in the ratio 1:3. When you add 10 more gold coins, the ratio of gold to non-gold becomes 1:2. Based on this information, find the total number of coins. Okay, it's not coins in the collection now. That is after adding 10 gold coins. You have 4 options. Either you can do with the options or you can use some other method. Take 2 minutes and understand this question and tell me the answer. Good. Am I speed or are you able to follow me? Please update that also. Because this batch I'm starting you first. Good, I'm getting answers. Let us check. This is for this question, you don't need any equation, you don't need anything. Because we have option, I will explain you how to do from the option. I will also explain you how to do without option also. But in my opinion, we have discussed some beaker question. Based on the beaker question, if you relate here, based on the options, you can able to solve the question. Just by seeing the options. Here we cannot give two answers, ma, because this is UPSC question. That was another question framed by me. This is an UPSC question, only one answer. Okay, let me solve without options. Okay, so here, this is the present coin collection, right? This is the present coin collection. The present coin collection should be in the ratio 1:2. Agree? Before adding 10 gold coins, the total count could have been 80. In this case, it could have been 70. In this case, it would have been 50. In this case, it could have been 40. But that time, the ratio of the gold to non-gold coins is 1:3. I'm going to try all the options. Do you all understand what I have written here, ma? Now, no, what I written is 90, 80, 60, 50 is the present options. At present, the coin should be in the ratio 1:2. Before adding 10 gold coins, it could have been 80, 70, 50, 40 respectively. Right? I'm just taking the count before adding the gold coins. The count should be 80, 70, 50, 40. And also note down that the ratio should be 1:3. Now we will check 1:3 in the sense 3 parts, right? 90 will divide by 3. Yes. Will 80 divide by 3? No. Will 60 divide by 3? Yes. So this option is removed here. Will 50 divide by 3? No. This option is gone. Is it clear why I removed B and D? At present, the coin should be in the ratio 1:2. That means 3 part. 80 will not divide by 3. So I can directly eliminate the option. I don't need to work out that. 60 will not divide by 3. We can directly eliminate that. Because 50 I cannot divide it by 3 parts. Right. Now, at present, the ratio should be 1:3. That means 4 parts. Here 3 parts, here 4 parts. 80 divided by 4? Yes. Will 50 divide by 4? No. I cannot put 50 in the ratio 1:3. This option is gone. So answer option is A. We didn't do any calculations. At present, my ratio should be 1:2. Before adding 10 gold coins, my ratio should be 1:3. Which are the numbers not fit? Just eliminating it, I got the answer. This is doing with the options. Anybody having doubt with the options, you tell me. I will be moving on to do how, when no options are given, how to solve the question. Anybody having doubt in this question? Explain the C option. See, this is satisfying this condition. 1:2, yes, 60 will divide 1:2. But before adding 10 gold coins, the count could have been 50 only. Right. That time the ratio should be into 1:3. That means 4 parts. 50 will not divide by 4. This 50 is not divisible by 4. Is it clear? Yes. Now I will explain you the how to do with. Sir, how is 1:3, 80, 70, 50, 40? Madam, the options given in the question is the present coin collection 90, 80, 60, 50. They told after they were adding 10 gold coins, then only the coin collection is becoming 90, 80, 60, 50. So before adding 10 gold coins, 90 would have been 80, 80 would have been 70, 60 would have been 50, 50 is 40. That is the case before adding the 10 gold coins. Yes, minus 10 from the present, that was the original coin collection. That should be in the ratio 1:3, so the number should be divisible by 4. Clear? Okay, so now we will go on and do how to do without options. Yes, gold to non-gold coins is equal to 1:3. When I write this, non-gold coins is equal to 3G. I have one equation like this. When I add 10 gold coins, non-gold coins remain same. My ratio is becoming 1:2. Can you able to write the equation like this? Gold to non-gold is 1:3. If I add 10 gold coins, gold to non-gold is becoming 1:2. When I cross multiply, 2G plus 10 is equal to NG. I already know NG is 3G. Can I able to substitute it here? 2G plus 10 is equal to NG. I can replace as 3G. If 2G goes, gold G is equal to 10. Is it clear? I got the value of G. So value of G is 10. Here it is 10. That is, if I substitute G is 10, 3 into 10, non-gold will be, sorry, this should be 20, right? Yeah, cross multiply 2G plus 20. Gold is 20. When I multiply 3 into 20, non-gold is 60. I just simply solved the equation, ma. Gold to non-gold is 1:3. Gold plus 10 and non-gold plus 10 is becoming 1:2. So rearranging the equation, 3G is equal to NG. I'm keeping this as equation 1. 2G plus 20 is equal to NG is equation number 2. So I'm putting 1 in 2, that is NG is equal to 3G. Solving this and get gold coins is equal to 20. Substituting this equation, if gold coin is 20, non-gold coin is 60. So gold to non-gold, 60 and 20, 80 was the original count. But they're asking now. So our question itself given, they were adding 10 more coins. So the now present collection is 90. That is why option A. Anybody having doubt? I'll explain once again. Please tell me. This is the new PSC question. Anybody? Can I understand? Everybody is clear? Yeah. So with the option or without the option? Once again. Without option. Yes. I'll just do it here once again. Okay. See, in a coin collection, there is one gold coin for every 3 non-gold coins. That is, gold to non-gold is equal to 1:3. Right? When I cross multiply, non-gold is equal to 3G. This is equation number 1. I think everybody are clear about this. Right? Next one, if I add 10 gold coins, that is NG plus 10, non-gold coins is not changing. My ratio is becoming 1:2. Cross multiply, 2G plus 20 is equal to NG. This is equation number 2. Is it clear? When I substitute equation 1 and 2, answer is solved. That's it. Because NG is non-gold is equal to 3 gold coin. If I substitute here, I'm substituting equation 1 and 2, 3G. 3G minus 2G is equal to G. So gold is equal to 20. I get gold is equal to 20. Once I get gold is equal to 20, if I substitute here 3 into 20, non-gold is equal to 60. But this was original coin collection. Understand that this was the original count, gold and non-gold. That is 80. After adding 10 more gold coins, now the coin should be 90. Is it clear now, everybody? Still have doubt? How I have eliminated option C in the sense, this was 60. Before 10 gold coins, it would have been 50. So before adding gold coins, the ratio should be in 1:3. 1:3 in the sense it should be 4 parts I should divide. Will 50 divide by 4? No, that is why I eliminated the option C. Is it clear for everyone? Previous page. Yeah, Syed. You want me to go to previous page? Yeah. So based on 1:2, 3 parts, 80 will not divide by 3, 50 will not divide by 3, B and D gone. Before adding gold coin, the ratio should be 1:3. So it should be 4 parts. So 50 will not divide by 4, so this is also gone. Is it clear for everyone, ma? Can we go for the worksheet? Ratio and proportion 1. Syed, you were asking something? Can I move on? Okay. So we move on to the worksheet ratio proportion 1. The first question, I hope you have the worksheet. Right? Everyone is having worksheet, right? So can you able to find in your page number 125? Please check and tell me. Yes. So it starts with ratio and proportion 1, right? Yes. So we have 2 worksheets. Today we will complete. So what time you need a break? So I'll give a break in between. Then we'll complete those 2 worksheets, which is both are on ratios. Any answers for this question, which is on the screen? If you want, I'll share that worksheet in this particular chat box. But I couldn't upload a file here. Okay, anyway, posting the questions, I'm posting the questions here at the end of the class. Yeah, at the end of the class, I'll share the worksheet. Is that fine? Anyway, I'm posting the questions on the screen. Yeah, in this case, x by y is equal to 3 by 4. That means x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Yes, it is just you need to substitute it. 5 into 3, 5x minus 3y divided by 7x plus 2y. 5 into 3, 15 minus 3 into 4, 12. Divide by 7 into 3, 21 2 into 4, 8. That is 3 by 29. We cannot further simplify this, so we can go for the option C. It's just a matter of substitution, no other concepts involved. Okay, do this question. A sum of rupees 9,000 is distributed among A, B, and C in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. What is the difference between A's and C's share? Good. So totally how many parts you are going to divide? 4 plus 5 plus 6. Totally 15 parts. Adding this, you are going to divide into 15 parts. Total amount is 9,000. Dividing by 15, 6 times it is 90. So it is 600. One part is 600. Is it clear? 4 plus 5 plus 6. Total part is 15. So 9,000 is divided by 15. One part is 600. Yes. If that is the case, A will get 4 part, B will get 5 part, C will get 6 part. So 4 into 600, 2,400. 5 into 600, 3,000. 6 into 600, 3,600. They want difference between A and C. 3,600 minus 2,400. 1,200 is the difference. Is it clear for everyone? Anybody having doubt, please raise it. I hope all are clear with this. Total amount is 9,000. Total part is 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. So 9,000 divided by 15, one part is 600. So if one part is 600, A gets 4 part, so 2,400. B gets 5 part, 3,000. C gets 6 part, so 3,600. So they are asking the difference between A and C, that is 3,600 minus 2,400, 1,200. Clear? Can we move on? Clear. Okay, let's check. Yes, good. Mark of two candidates P and Q are in the ratio 2 is to 5. right? So totally how many parts you're going to divide? Okay, you don't need to divide because they're given only P is mark. If 2 is to 5, if P is mark is 120, 2 part is 120. So 120 by 2, it will give you 1 part. So 1 part is 60. So 5 part will be 300. Right? Simple. 2 part is 120. This is very important in allegation, this kind of concepts. When 2 part is 120, 1 part is going to be 60. So 5 part is 300. Yes. If we add 2 plus 5 divided by total, you will get again 1 part value. You can verify like that. Yes. Okay, 10 years. The age of 2 students, that is 3 and 2. One is older than 5 years. That means one is older by how many parts, ma? Only 1 part. That is, one person is older than 1 part. That 1 part is equal to 5 years. So if 1 part is 5 years, 2 parts is going to be 10 years. 3 part is going to be 15 years. So it means younger is 10 years. Is it clear, ma? Now, previous question, the age of 2 people is 3 is to 2, right? That means in ratio, yeah, how 1 part is 5? Okay, lot of you are asking that question. I think, okay, I'll just come back to the question. Let us consider this is older person, this is younger person, definitely, right? The older is 3 part, younger is definitely 2 part, very clear. But the older is younger, the difference between is how many parts? Only 1 part, right? Only 1 part. That 1 part is nothing but 5 years, right? 1 part is 5 years, isn't it? Because one is older than the other by 5 years. Clear? That 1 part excess is nothing but they are given in the statement. One is older than the other by 5 years. So 1 part is 5 years. Right. So if 1 part is 5 years, younger is 2 part, so 10 years. Yeah, if you want to put it in an equation, as I already told, 3:2. There is something common to be multiplied on both the sides. 3x minus 2x is equal to 5 years. X is equal to 5. Once you substitute back, 3 into x is 5, 10. So anger is 10. So is it clear? Is it clear, students? Can we move on? Clear. Please do this question. Yes. See here, we'll simplify this. 4 by 5th of A is equal to 2 by 5th of B. When simplifying A by B, 4 by 15 will go that side as 15 by 4. This is 2 by 5, right? Okay. So this is 2 by 5, not 15. 2 by 5 into 15 by 4. Isn't it? So this will go 3 times. This will go 2 times. A by B is equal to 3 by 2. A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. Now you need to divide 1210 into 5 parts. 242 is one part. If you divide 1000 to 210 by 5, 242 is one part value. We need to find how much B is having, because one part is 242, B is 2 part. So 242 into 2, 484. Is it clear? By solving this, we are getting A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. Then it is just you are dividing 1210 into 5 parts. So one part is 242. A is to B already we got, 3 is to 2. We want only B. So that is 2 into 242. It is 484. I hope most of you are clear with this, because these are fundamentals. It's very much needed in allegations also. Understand that? Yes. Can you please explain it once again? Yeah. Why we are equating in the sense they are given 4 by 5th of A's amount is equal to the 2 by 5th of B's amount. That is why 4 by 15th of A's amount is equal to 2 by 5th of B's amount. While simplifying this, 4 by 15 go 15 by 4. Simplifying that, I'm getting A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. Then it is nothing. You need to divide 1020 in the ratio 3 is to 2. And you need to find out the B. Right? Is it clear now? Coming back to this question. Yes. Try this question. You're getting answers? Answer is there in the option. Yes. Answer is available. Yeah. So those who are not solved, please try this. Yes. It's again the equation. Let us take this is 2x and 3x. Let us take this is 5y and 7y. So 2x by 4x, you're adding 4 to the both the numbers. The ratio is becoming 5 by 7. So here plus is there. So here y can be cancelled. Cross multiply this. 14x plus 28 is equal to 20x plus 20. Solving this, you will get the answer. Cross multiplying, are we getting correct? Solve this equation. Let me check once again. What are the numbers you're getting, man? X and Y? Two numbers. Yeah, that is what my problem. I was checking something going wrong. Yeah, it is 3x. All right. When I cross multiply this, 14x plus 28 is equal to 15x plus 20. Solving this, x is equal to 20. Right? When x is simplifying this, x is 28 minus 28. Sorry, a small mistake here. Yeah, 15x, x is equal to 8. When x is equal to 8, 2x is 16, 3x is 24. My difference is 8. Is it clear? Is it clear now? No. Sir, it is, once again, sir, it is 2x and 3x. Shouldn't be on 3x and 3y because, yes. That is why I was explaining the first. Yeah, I got a question. 120, 5 is to 7. Totally, it should be divided into 12 parts. I'll explain you why it is 2x and 3x. So totally you're going to divide into 12 parts, right? Dividing by 12, one part value is 10. So you will say it is 50, it is 70. What you multiplied on both the sides? 10 each, right? 5 into 10, 7 into 10. So that's why we are taking 2x and 3x, not 2x and 3y. In a ratio, when you're converting to numbers, you will multiply same number on both the sides. That is what the example here. Is that clarifies you? So in this question, 2x plus 4 by 3x plus 4, giving a number 5:7 ratio. That can be also x, no problem. As here is nothing, this will get cancelled. By solving this, a simple equation solving, you will get x is equal to 8. Substitute back here 2x and 3x. You will get numbers 2 into x is 16, 3 into x is 8, 24. They're asking the difference between the numbers 24 and 6 is 8. Is it clear? Okay. I hope you are done with LCM and GCD topic, right? When two numbers are in the ratio 4:5, okay, their LCM is 180. Find the smaller number. Okay. Can you please, before doing this question, can you please take LCM for 12 and 8? I want two things to do. Find LCM of 12 and 8 and put 12 and 8 in a ratio. Put it in a ratio. These two answers, please do it. People are not even responding for LCM. LCM, what is LCM for 8 and 12? Very good. LCM is 24. Right. So how to take LCM? 12, 8, you divide by common divisor. 6, 4, 2, 3, 2. Further it will not divide. You can divide 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. So LCM is 24. I hope you might have read about doing LCM. Right. Now, putting in the ratio 12:8, both are divisible by 4. So 3:2. So the ratio of the two numbers is 3:2 and the LCM is 24. But in this case, we know the two numbers, that is 12 and 18, 12 and 8. Now, can we frame the questions like this? Two numbers are in the ratio Can we frame the question like this? Two numbers are in the ratio 3:2. Their LCM is 24. Find the numbers. In this case, we know the numbers. But how to find this? It's very simple. You have to, here the two numbers ratio is given. 3:2. Right? And LCM is given. Now, if they are asking you to find back the numbers, any answers? Okay, I want one more also. Please find their GCD also. GCD of 12 and 8. That also I will explain you. Do you know how to take GCD or HCF? GCD or HCF? You take GCD or HCF also for 12 and 8. So first we'll concentrate on, there are two numbers 12 and 8. LCM is 24, you said. Ratio is 3:2. I want GCD. GCD, how we will find? We divide numbers individually. 12 divided by 2, that is 6, 2, again 3. 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 3. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So common is nothing but 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So GCD is nothing but 4 for these two numbers. Is it clear? Yes. Now I will tell you. Now it's very clear. The two numbers are in the ratio 12 and 8 are in the ratio 3:2. If LCM is given, if LCM is 24 in this case, GCD is 4. You consider that you don't know the number. You don't know the number. The question is like this. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:2. If their LCM is 24, what are the two numbers? What if LCM is given? You just divide by LCM. 24 by 3? Yes, it is 8. 24 divided by 2? 12. Are you able to get these two numbers? If GCD is given, multiply it. 3 into 4, 12. 2 into 4, 8. Are you able to get the numbers? When LCM is given and the ratio is given, you need to divide. When ratio and GCD is given, you need to multiply. In our case, what it is given? LCM and ratio. So we need to divide it. 180 divided by 4. So it is 45. 180 divided by 5, it is 36. They're asking for the smaller number. Answer is this. Are you able to understand this, ma? When the ratio and LCM is given, you need to divide. When it is ratio and GCD is given, you need to multiply back. Everybody clear? Okay. A is to B is 7:9. B is to C is 15:7. So A is to B into B is to C. If you multiply this, am I directly getting A by C? So similarly, I need to do 7 by 9 into 15 by 7 is equal to 7 gets cancelled. This is 5 by 3. Answer is if they want you to find A is to B is to C, how we should do? 7 is to 9. Is this clear, ma? If it is AB, BC, AB by BC into B by C will give automatically A by C. So you just need to multiply it, you will get the answer. If they ask you A is to B is to C, 7 is to 9, 15 is to 7. This is A is to B value, this is B is to C value. Right? In these kind of cases, B variable is same, but their values are different. So I just want to make the value common, then only I can write A is to B is to C. So what in this case, what I will do is I will multiply the first ratio by 15, second ratio by 9. So in that case, 7 into 15, it is 105. 9 into 15, 135. Similarly, when I 15 into 9, 135. 9 into 7, 63. So I can write 105 is to 135 is to 63. So that is A is to B is to C. When A is to B, B is to C given, the values may be different. Right? This may be B1, B2. So what you need to do? You need to multiply the ratio 1 by B2, 2 by B1, so that the B will become common. You can able to write A is to B is to C. If it is A is to C, you just need to multiply it so that you will result in the ratio A by C. Is it clear, ma? Yes, in the previous question, yeah, options we can do it. Say A is to B is to C. Let me see. We have any similar question like that? Yeah. A is to B is to C. We have questions in the same worksheet, ma. I think question number 18 and 19 deals with that. That time I'll explain you in deep. Okay. In the same worksheet we have no issues. If you have doubt, raise that time. This is also same like that only. If you consider boy as A, girl as B, teacher as C, you need to find Can you please do this question? Can we find a ratio boys to girls to teachers? Because this is students. The students will be like boys plus girls together. So can we write the ratio boys to girls to teachers? This is like A is to B. We have boys to girls, girls to teachers. Yeah, whatever you asked in the previous question only. 4 is to 3, 8 is to 1. So what I told, this is boys to girls, this is girls to teachers. This is G1, G2. See, the values are different. So what I told, multiply the first ratio by the second, that is second value of G. 4 into 8 is 32, 3 into 8 is 24. So if you multiply 8 into 3, 3 into 8, again 24 only you will get. Now 3 into 1, 3. Now the ratio is like this. All right. This is boys, girls, teachers. I just multiply the girl value in second ratio, the whole, this by 8, this by 3. So I will get a ratio 32 is to 24 is to 3. Now what they need is students is to teachers. Student is 32 plus 24, it is 56. Teachers 56 is to 3. Answer option is A. Is it clear? See the same model, ma. Boys to girls is 4 is to 3. Girls to teacher is 8 is to 1. So I want to write a ratio boy is to girl is to teacher. So whenever this girls values are different, na? So I cross multiply the equation, the first equation by 8, second equation by 3. Better I'll go for a new. Boys to girls 4 is to 3. Girls to teachers 8 is to 1. So what we are doing is, once we have girls value common, then only we can write a boys to girls to teacher ratio. So for making common, we are multiplying the first equation by value of girl in the second and second equation by value of the girl in the first. So if I multiply first equation by 8, second equation by 3, first equation if I multiply by 8, 32 is to 24. Second equation by 3, 24 is to 3. So can I write now 24 is common, that is for girls. Boys is 32, girls is 24, teacher is 3. But the question asked is students. Students will add both girls and boys. So 32 plus 24 is 56 is to 3. So answer option is 1. Whenever A, B, B, C, the values will be different. So if you want to write A is to B is to C, you need to multiply the first equation by B2, second equation by B1. Then only you will get a B common value. Is it clear for everyone? So do you need a break now? Can we take a break? Usually how many minutes you have break? No, what is your duration of the break? 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, you do one thing. Please take 15 minutes, 10:45. We will come back and we will go till 1. Is it clear? Please join back by 10:45. Can you please solve this question? Yeah. In a famous island, there is Bhojpuri Island. There are 4 men for every 3 women and 5 children for every 3 men. How many children are there in the island if it has 531 women? So same format, you can write women, men, children ratio, right? So you need to multiply this by this. 9 is to 12 is to, when you multiply this 4 into 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 5, 20. This could be the women, men, children ratio in this island, right? So are you clear with this? What we have? If that is the case, 9 is to 12 is to 20. We have information that 531 women. If this is 531 women, so 531 divided by 9, one part is going to be close to 59, right? 531 divided by 9. If 9 part is 531, one part is 531 divided by 9, 59. They were asking how many children. So 20 into 59, you should multiply. I think answer is 1180. Is it clear for everyone? I think same model like a previous question. So you just need to, because here men is common, right? Men is common, women and children on the other side. You need to make the ratio women, men, children ratio. So women, men, children ratio, we're getting 9 is to 12 is to 20. So it is given that it is given that women is 531. Is it clear, ma'am? Can we move on? I hope all of you have joined back. Is it clear? Yes. Again, next number is also, next question also, 11th question also same model. Ratio of first to second is 2 is to 3. Second to third is 5 is to 8. So we will able, how we will do first to second to third. First ratio 10 is to 15. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 8 is 24. So the ratio of first, second and third number is 10 is to 15 is to 24. Now we have sum of the three numbers 98. Total parts is how much, ma? 10 plus 15 plus 24, it is 49. So 98, if you divide into 49 parts, one part is 2. Then first number is, one part is 2 in the sense, 10 part is 20, 15 part is 30, 24 part is 48. So second number is nothing but 30. Is it clear? This is no explanation. My same model only. A is to be, instead of A is to be first number and second number. Number 1 and number 2 are in the ratio 2:3. Number 2 and number 3 are in the ratio 5:8. I'm just framing a ratio and dividing the number into parts. I think there is no concepts involved. Answer is 30. Our second number is 30. Because you are dividing 98 into 49 part, one part is 2. If you still have doubt, people, you can stay back at the end of the class. We will discuss last 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Yes. Next question. This is in a fraction. That is maybe confusion for most of you. 1/2, 1/3, 1/5. How to convert a fraction ratio into a normal ratio? Okay, that is what we are going to see. So what we should do is, the easiest way is multiply by the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5, LCM is nothing but 30. So I'm just multiplying all the numbers by 30 into 30 into 30 into 30. So this will be 15, this will be 10, this will be 6. 15 is to 10 is to 6. So that means you're going to divide this into 6,200 into this many parts. That is, now it's as usual. You're going to divide 6,200 into this part. How many parts? 31 part. If 6,200, you are dividing into 31 part, one part is 200. Right? Then 15 part is 3,000, 10 part is 2,000, 6 part is 1,200. Is it clear? Division is same only when it is in a ratio. When it is in a ratio 1/2, right? 1/2, 1/3, 1/5. We cannot divide based on this ratio. So we need to convert into normal ratio. In that case, the denominator's LCM, 2, 3, 5 LCM is 30. I just multiplied all by 30. So I got a ratio 15:10:6. Now dividing this amount into 15:10:6 is, everybody know how to write a value in a ratio, right? Totally 31 parts, 6,231, 200. So one part is 200. So 15 part is 3,000, 10 part is 2,000, 6 part is 1,200. Anybody having doubt in this question, how to convert a fraction into a ratio? Anybody else? Hope all you are clear. Good. Got it, right? Yes. You people are not replying me whether you're understanding or not. It's very difficult to understand your pulse. Only we can understand through your messages. At least put S. A simple S will enough. Yes. Yeah, you don't need to write down full. Just put S. That will be enough. I can understand that you understood. If it is no, you type N. This question is 2020, UPSC 2020. This question has been asked. Just now we have discussed the same model question, right? UPSC 2020 question. This is in the ratio 1:2, 3/4, 5/6. As I told, you need to take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. LCM is 12. So I need to multiply 1 by 2 into 12 is 2, 3 by 4 into 12 is 2, 5 by 6 into 12. 6, it is 3, it is 2. I'm getting ratio 6 is to 9 is to 10. Once you return this, then there is no work. 2500. Is it clear for everyone? You have to multiply it by the denominator's LCM. Denominator's 246, LCM is 12. So when I multiply that, I'm getting a ratio as shown here, 6 is to 9 is to 10. That means totally 25 parts. If I divide by 25, one part is 100. Right? So this person will get 600. This person will get 900. This person will get 1000. So the difference between A and C is 400. This is an UPSC 2010 question. 2020 question. Is that clear? Please do this question, ma. See here, A by B is equal to 2 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. That is bar. So can you write like this? A by B is equal to 2 by 9 into 3 by 1. This division, if I make it as multiplication, I can make it reverse. So A by B is equal to 2 by 3. Can I write like this? Similarly, B by C is equal to 2 by 7 into 14 by 5. Thus, I can division, it will come top as 14 by 5. So B by C is equal to 4 by 5. So based on this, I can able to write A is to B is to C. 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 8, 12, 15. Do you agree this? This you already know that just now we have discussed. A by B, B by C are there. We can able to write A is to B is to C. I multiplied first equation by 8, first ratio by 8, 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 5, 15. So A is to B is to C is 8 is to 12 is to 15. But they're asking us A is to B is to C is to D. Right? So given that A is to B is to C is, but this kind of questions will not come in UPSC, but just for understanding purpose, we are doing this. D by C is equal to 7 by 10 into 5 by 3. So that is D by C is equal to 7 by 6. C by D is equal to 6 by 7. So we got C by D. Again, we have A is to B is to C and C is to D. You just need to substitute it. 8 is to 12 is to 15. C is to D is 6 is to 7. Further, it is all calculation only. Finally, you will get the answer. A is to B is to C. I think answer option is given here is, it is B. Answer option is B. You just do it later and come back to that. There is no logic in that. Only the calculation is involved. D by C is given in the question. D by C is 7 by 10 is to 3 by 5. 7 by 10 into 5 by 3. It's all in the question. So it is 7 by 6 is D by C. C by D will be 6 by 7. So this all calculations involved, ma. So I'm just not going in detail. Answer is B. You can simplify it and you can check it. Any doubt, we can even discuss at the end. You can, next question is also almost the same model. A is to B is to C. If A is 2 by 3rd of B, then can I say A by B is equal to 2 by 3? B is 4 by 5 of C. Can I say B by C is equal to 4 by 5? A by B, B by C. So now A is to B, B is to C. We need to write it down. That is 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5. Multiply first ratio by 4. So 8 is to 12. Second ratio by 3, 12 is to 15. So answer is 8 is to 12 is to 15. The same model, ma, that is why I'm going fast. I hope you understood this. Anybody having doubt in this writing, how to write A is to B is to C? Anybody? A is to B is to D. If you have one more number, you just need to multiply it. That's it. There is no logic involved in this. Okay, if you still want me to explain, we can explain. It is all a calculation. Okay, but I'll explain you that question. It's just a multiplication, ma. So if you want, we can discuss at the end. No problem. You just keep hold on the question. We'll discuss at the end. There is no logics involved, only multiplications and all these things. Yeah, ABC is clear. If ABC is clear, the same model, if 8 is to 12 is to 15, if they given C is to D some number, 2 is to 3, you just need to multiply this 2 by the first, 16, 24, 30, multiply 15 by this, then you will get A is to B is to C is to D, that's it. Only this last step we have skipped in that question. We have found A is to B is to C. Right. Anyway, I'll do that question. Okay, listen here. A by B, 2 by 9, divide by 1 by 3. So that will come as 3 by 1. So A by B is, A is to B is 2 is to 3. Do you agree? B by C is 2 by 7 divisible by 5 by 14 will come as 14 by 5. So it is 4 by 5. B is to C is 4 by 5. D is to C is 7 by 10 into 5 by 3. Because this will go over, that is on top. It is 7 by 6. D by C is 7 by 6. If you want to C by D, it will be 6 by 7. Do you agree? A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is 4 is to 5, C is to D is 6 is to 7. Are you clear with this? Then what is that? There is just, you need to multiply it, right? 2 is to 3, A is to, first I will write A is to B is to C. I multiply 8 into 12, 3 into 5, 50. So A is to B is to C is 8 is to 12 is to 50. Agree? Now C is to D is 6 is to 7. Multiply 48, 72, 90, 105. All are divisible by 3. If I divide by 3, 16, 24, 30, 35. Is it clear? Here I multiplied this by 6, this by 15. There is no logic involved. Whatever the digits, you keep on multiplying like this and make it the common variable as the same value. That's it. Right? There is no special logic involved in this question. So that is why then we will move on to the next question. No problem. Whatever the doubts, it's not meant. I'm here to clarify the doubts only. If you know already why you need to attend the class. Yes, it may be silly questions, but get it clarified. No issues. I can repeat any number of times. I can even stay back after the class for 5-10 minutes. I'll clarify your queries. So I don't want to disturb the, like in between, it may be, those who understood, it may be a constraint for them. So we may even stay back for 5-10 minutes. Make note all your doubts, what you're having. 2 by 3 of A is equal to 75% of B. 75%, the equivalent fraction is nothing but 75 by 100, 3 by 4. Can I write 3 by 4 of B? Got it. Which is again equal to 0.6 in the sense 6 by 10, that is 3 by 2 of C. This is what the relation among these three questions. So anybody, can you please try it out and tell me the answer? Can we do like this? Comparing this to, we will get A is to B. Comparing this to, we will get B is to C. Then we can club it. That is one way. When you compare this, A by B is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 by 3. Right? If I bring B here, 3 by 4 into 3 by 2. So A by B is 9 by 8. Similarly, B by C, if you put B by C, 3 by 2 into 4 by 3. B by C is again 6 by 3. You can able to simplify now. We have A by B, B by C. Simplify it and tell me the answer. Yes. Can we move on to the next question? Sorry, this is getting cancelled, right? This is 2 by 1. Sorry. B by C is 2 by 1. So A by B is 9 is to 1. B is to C is 2 is to 1. What we will do, we will multiply 18. 2 into 8 is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. Again 8. There is some mistake here we have done. 3 gets cancelled. 2. Are you getting 9 is to 8 is to 10? One second, I'll just paste this question here. Okay, okay. We have written as a wrong. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, I have. It's a 0.6. Correct. I'll do once again here. That is what number I have written wrong. 2 by 3 of A is equal to 3 by 4 of B. Similarly, this is equal to 6 by 10, that is 3 by 5 of C. We have taken a wrong number. Sorry. So based on this, I'll get A is to B, B is to C. So A by B is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 2. That is A by B is equal to 9 by 8. Yeah, this is correct. 3 by 4. So A by B by C is equal to 3 by 5 into 4 by 3. So B by C will be 12 by 15. That is 4 by 5. So 9 is to 8, 4 is to 5. Right? When you multiply 36, 32, 40. Simplify this. All are divisible by 4. 9 is to 8 is to 10. So the same model question we have discussed much, only a calculation involved. Please do that. Yes. I have written one number wrong, so it went wrong. Sorry. Is it clear now? So 21st question we have discussed. Please do this question, ma. Approach to the question and practice is very important. I'm ready to explain you even after the class. 5-10 minutes we can sit and clarify the doubts, no issues. But as today we are ratio, we are doing, go and practice a lot of questions from ratios. Okay, then make a very good clarity on the topic. Okay, if you still want very good clarity, there is an NCERT textbook on ratio, one particular chapter we can discuss. Question number 20. Okay, then we will solve that also. As it's the same model, I just skipped it, but we will do it. After this, we'll do the 20. This is asking UPSC 2016. In a class, there are 18 very tall boys. If these boys constitute 3/4 of the boys, that means 3/4 of the boys is 18. Sorry, 3/4 of the boys is 18. Then boys will be 3 by 4 will come this side, 4 by 3. Boys is, so we can able to calculate what is the total number of boys in the class. So total 3/4 of the boys is 18 in the sense. So boys is 24. And the total number of boys is 2/3 of the total number of students in the class. That means 2/3 of the total strength is boys. So 2/3 of total strength is 24. So total strength is 24 into 3 by 2. So total is 36. As we total is 36, we already know boys are 24, rest are girls. Is it clear, ma? If you remember properly, when there was a ratio like this, I asked you to multiply by its LCM. Do you remember? To convert it to a ratio. Similar type only we are going to do. 2, 3, 4. LCM is 12. When there is a relationship is established like that, you divide it by its LCM. That is 2A by 12, 3B by 12, 4C by 12. So 6, 4, 3. So answer is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Is it clear? Next, there is an UPSC question, 2020 UPSC question on ratios. It's related to ratios, similar to ratios. Understand that whenever there is a fraction ratio is given, you need to multiply by the LCM of its y, z and b. When there is an relationship is established, you need to divide it by its LCM, you will get the answer. Any one of you answer this question? Okay, have you solved? Please complete it, I'll explain you. Answers, majority of the answers are okay. Okay, most of you are answering. I think there is correct answer. Those are not solved, please tell me. I'll explain you. Can we say total is 40 kg ma, when it is vessel plus water, it is 40 kg, right? So this two-third portion, right? The two-third portion is going to be 20 kg, isn't it? That two-third portion is 20 kg. That means two part is 20 kg. That means one part is 10. You understand? This is full of vessel with water 40 kg ma. Here 1 by third is filled, but it is 20 kg. Where this rest 20 kg will fill if that other two parts also filled. So if two part of water is 20 kg in the sense, one part of the water is 10 kg. That means the whole water content is nothing but 30 kg. If whole water content is 30 kg, definitely the vessel is 10 kg. Is it clear? No equations is needed. Is it clear now that vacuum portion is 20 kg? If that vacuum portion is get filled 20 kg, that vacuum portion is how much fraction? Two parts, because one part is already filled. So the two parts should be, if the two parts filled, it will become another 20 kg. So the two part is 10 kg, 20 kg in the sense, one part is 10 kg. So total water is three parts if it is completely filled. So 30 kg. So rest 10 kg will be the vessel. Anybody having doubt, please raise it. I will explain once again. It may be looks confusing for somebody. Please put it in the chat box. Okay, I'll explain. This is a 2020 UPSC question mark. So don't have these all are standard questions. It looks simple but still confusing. See, let me take this is completely filled vessel. Like this. I've given 3 rows. So it means 3 parts. Here only 1 row. There only one third is filled. This is vessel plus water is equal to 40 kg. Do you agree? Here vessel plus 1/3 of water is 40 kg. 20 kg. Do you agree this? Vessel plus 1/3 of water. So if I solve this equation, vessel plus water is equal to 40. Vessel plus 1/3 of water is equal to 20. So it's very clear when I subtract this, 2/3 of rest water will be 20 kg. That means the rest if I fill with water, one part, another one part. This will be 20 kg. That's what the equation is saying. If this is 20, or able to understand if this is 20, this is 10, the rest definitely the water will be like 2 parts is 20, 1 part is going to be 10. So complete water portion is 30. Then rest 10 kg will be from the vessel. See here, 2 parts is 20, so 1 part is definitely 10. Super confused? No issues. This is a question like is a equation clear, right? Are you clear with this equation? Vessel plus water is 40 kg. Vessel plus 1/3 of water is 20 kg. Do you clear with this equation now? Yes. So whatever I'm saying is vessel plus water is 20 kg. So what here it is given here is this portion left out, right? This is 1/3. When I solve this equation, can you able to see the rest 2/3 will be 20 kg? That is what I was getting in this equation. That means this portion is going to be 20 kg of weight. This is 2 portions. If 2 portions is 20, this 1/3 is going to be definitely 10 kg only. Isn't it? So if the total water content is 30, as the total full bucket is weighting, if total my water content is 30, my vessel is going to be 10 kg. Still anybody having doubt? So try cancelling out water so that vessel weight is left out, and that answer is got easy and clear because calculating is very close. Okay. Still one no is there. Then if you have any doubts, we will discuss at the end. You can come at the end, take this question and come at the end. Okay. I think it's the end of the first worksheet. We have the last question. 2016 UPSC question. I think this question still you have doubt. We will come at the end of the session after 1 o'clock, 5-10 minutes. We'll discuss that. So I think majority has understood this. This question is again a simple question. Please solve that. W can do 1/4 of the work in 30 days. If 4 parts he takes 120 days. X can do 1/4 of the work in 10 days. 4 part the work 40 days. Why? 40% 40 days, 100% 100 days, right? Is it 1/3 of the work 13 days, 3 part of the work 39 days? This is clear, right? All of you. I think who completed fast, this is who will complete the work fast. Is that answer is that. This is also UPSC question 2016. Anybody having doubt on this question? We'll move on to the worksheet 2. Fifteen, 16 questions, that is very theoretical question, that is not needed. Okay, we can skip that question. If you want, it is, you never get any question like that in CSAT. Explain once more. Yeah, I'll do it. Then we will move on to that. See, the question says W can do 25% of the work in 30 days. 25% is nothing but 25 by 100, 1 by 4. That means W completes 1/4 of the work in 30 days. That means if 1/4 of the work in 30 days in the sense, that means out of 4 parts, 1 part he is taking 30 days. So 4 parts he will take 120 days, or else you can multiply this. 4 will goes 120. In the second case, X can do 1/4 of the work in 10 days. Out of 4 parts, 1 part he takes 10 days. If it 4 parts, he will take 40 days. Right? Why? Why 40% of the work he takes 40 days? If it is 1%, dividing by 40 on the days, he will take 1 day. 100%, he will take 100 days. That's what? Whole work he take 100 days. 40% of the work 40 days in the sense, 1% of the work he will take 1 day. So complete the whole work 100%, he will take 100 days. And it can do 1/3 of the work in 30 days. Out of 3 parts, 1 part is 13 in the sense, 3 part will be 39. And who is completing fast? Is that Z. Is that correct? Anybody still having doubt on this question? Clear. Can we move on? Type MO, everybody. Please be interactive. MO, if you type, I can move on. I think we have 53 people online. Yes. Question number 15, 16, 17. Just now I told that are very theoretical questions. Those kind of questions will not asked in exam. So we just skip those questions. Very good. Then I can guess all are listening. Very good. So all I received most of MO. Right. So next question, ratio and proportion, part 2. Okay. In a mixture, 60 liters. Milk to water is 2:1. That means 3 part. If you divide 60 by 3, 1 part is 20, right? So 2 part will be 40, 1 part will be 20. That means in that 60 liters, 40 liters milk, 20 liters water. I think everybody clear with that. The total mixture is 60 liters. The ratio of milk and water is 2:1. So we are going to divide into 3 parts. That means total 60 into 3 parts. So 1 part will be 20. So there are 2 parts of milk, 1 part of water. So 40, 20. If the ratio is to be 1:2, how many quantity of water further to be added? So in this case, after adding some water, the ratio is becoming 1:2. So you need to find it out. What is the quantity of water to be further added? Okay, let's see. Milk, water, 40, 20. This is now in the ratio 2:1. Do you agree this? Can you able to hear me? I think there is some network lag. Okay. Yes. So 2:1. Milk to water is 40 to 20. This is everybody is clear with us. Now the ratio should become 1:2. Understand that only water is going to change. So we understand that the milk portion is not going to change. So we make it as a box. But milk portion should become 1 part as per the question. You understand that? Milk portion should become 1 part. But we are not going to change the quantity of the milk. So this is freezed. The red color is freezed, right? If this is freezed, 1 part is 40 in the sense, in the same ratio, 2 parts should be 80. 2 parts should be 80. So already 20 is there. How much liters should be added? 60 liters. In a ratio, we already fixed 1 part is 40 in the sense, the rest 2 parts should be 80 because same ratio. If 1 part is 40 because milk is not going to any change, but that should be 1 part. That 1 part is 40 in the sense, 2 parts should be 80. So as we already have 20 liters, 60 liters to be added. So 60 more liters of water to be added. Is it clear, ma? Everybody? Can't understand. Who's that? Repeat. Okay, I'm getting repeat. Can't understand. Okay. I can repeat once again. Are you clear till this step? How I divided 60 liters into 2:1? Are you clear with that? Can you please tell me those who said not able to, not clear? Yes. You're clear with this step, right? So now here, they are saying that the milk and water portion is to become 1:2 as per the question. You are going to add only water. You are not going to touch milk at all. So this milk should become 1 part. That's it. You are not going to add milk, only water. So this is fixed, right? This orange color is whatever I have shown here is fixed. So 1 part is 40 in the sense. 1 part is 40 in the sense. 2 parts should be because it's in the same ratio. If one part is 40, two parts should be 80. So already 20 is there. So 60 more liters to be added. Is it clear, Syed and Veluswamy? Is it clear? What about Syed? Is it clear, ma? See, it looks like a mixture, but it is here. It is like only the quantity is getting changed. It's a light, what you can say, light version of alligation, mixture and alligation. You don't need to identify any difference. If you have a concept clarity, you can do any questions. There is no segregation or something. By practice, when you have the concept clarity, we will able to do it. Anyway, we have alligations and mixture, we will do it separately. Is this clear? Is this particular question clear to everyone? I think we are going to have the similar kind of questions. Break. Can we give it by 12 o'clock for 5 minutes? Yeah. Please solve this question, ma'am. Okay. Any answers? Yeah, I'm getting answers. See here. Yeah, most of you have answered, I think, through my private messages. It's only one answer, ma. It could not be 9 or 12. Yes, let me explain you. This is spirit, this is water. If spirit is 3 liters more than water, yes. How many parts spirit is more than water? 1 part. So that 1 part is equal to 3 liters. Isn't it? That means 3 part is spirit, so 9. Water is 2 part, it is 6. So they are asking quantity of spirit in the mixture. This is spirit and water. So answer is 9. Is it clear? See here, spirit is 1 part more. In ratio, it is 1 part more than water. And it is given in the question directly, that is 3 liters. So 1 part is 3 liter. This we can able to establish from the question. If 1 part is 3 liter, 3 part is 9 liter, 2 part is 6 liter. So spirit and water is 9 and 6 liters respectively. Anybody having doubt? You please raise it, or else I will move on. Calculation method, you can write 3x and 2x. 3x minus 2x. So if spirit is having 3 liters, it will come out. If I subtract, you will get 3. Right? Whichever is having more. So x is equal to 3. When I substitute back, spirit 3x is 9, 2x is 6. Is it clear, Suresh Ram? Yes. I think same model question we have discussed in the last class, last worksheet. Everyone clear? Can we move on? Okay. Yes. Please solve this question. Same model, that milk question model, ma. Here what it is? Acid is not doing any change. Only water is undergoing change. (30 liter), 2:3 in the sense. If I divide by 5, 30 divided by 5, one part is 6 liter. So 2 part is 12 liter, 3 part is 18 liter. This everybody you know how to divide 30 into in the ratio. So in 30 liters, acid water is 12 liters of acid and 18 liter of water. Okay. Now acid to water is becoming 2:5. In this case, as I already told, acid is not undergoing any change. Make a box. But that acid part is 2. So if 2 part is 12, 1 part is 6. If 2 part is 12, 1 part is 6. 5 parts should be 30. Already 18 is there. 5 parts should be 30. So if you add 12 liters of water, it will become. If you want to equation method, we know 12 and 18, like 12 liters of acid, 18 liters of water. So you don't know, you're going to add only water. I don't know how much we are going to add. Is equal to 2/5. Can we write the equation like this? This much acid, this much water, and you're again going to add some water, and this will in the ratio 2x, 5x, xx gets cancelled. Multiply it. 12 into 5 is 60. 36 plus 2x. 2x is equal to 24. X is equal to 12. This is the equation way of solving the question. Which method you are confused? Equation method or the other one? If you're clear with the equation method, then you follow the equation method. If you're clear, if you can able to do it. The other method I can explain once more for benefit of everybody. I'll explain once more. I think equation everybody is fine. But I'm not an equation person, so that is why. Okay. So 30 liter, 2:3 if you divide, 12 liters of acid and 18 liters of water. That everybody know, right? So 12 liter of acid, 18 liter of water. We are adding some water, so the ratio is becoming 2:5. Cross multiply this. 60 is equal to 36 plus 2W. 2W is equal to 24. Water is equal to 12. So it is 12 liters of water was added here. This is equation way. When the other way, we know that 12 liters of acid, 18 liters of water. 12 liters of acid, 18 liters of water is there. Right. Now, this ratio will become 2:5 as per the question. This is acid, this is water. But you're going to add only water. So acid quantity will never increase, but their in ratio part, it will become 2 part. So that means that acid is fixed, quantity will not increase. But number of parts, it going to become is 2 part in the new ratio. If 2 part is 12, what is 1 part? 6 liter. So 5 liters should become, 5 parts should become 30. As already 80 liters are there, we need to add only 12 liters. Is it clear the other one now? The other one is very simple. You don't need to do anything. You are going to box one thing that is going to be fixed. So that fixed one is equal to how many parts you have to see, then find 1 part. Then accordingly you multiply the rest one. Next question. This was again an UPSC question. Similar to UPSC question that were asked. Okay, I think we'll do the other question first, then we'll come back to that. This you need some basic concept of allegations. So when we do allegations, I'll explain this. This is just a simple addition. Is it done? Any answers? Okay, so let us consider equal capacity as X. Okay, so they both are having the capacity of X liters. Okay, X liter capacity. So here it is 3x, 2x, 7x, 3x, 11x, 4x, like that. All will have equal capacity. So now in this, acid will be 3x by 5, right? In this 7x by 10. In this, as it is 11x by 15. Right. Similarly, water portions can be written as 2x by 5, 3x by 10, 4x by 15. These are the water portions. Okay. The circled portions are water portions. Now we just need to be added. That's it. 3x by 5 plus 7x by 10 plus 11x by 15. This is all to be added. And similarly, water portion also to be added. Got it? I think the color got changed. Is it clear? You're just adding this, you will able to complete this equation. I think 5, 4, 5, 10, 15. In both are 5, 10, 15. I think LCM is 60. I think I'll take the same color, red color for acid. 5, 10, 15. LCM is 60. Okay. If it is LCM is 60, we need to accordingly multiply it by 12. 12 in the sense on the top 36x. Here if I multiply 6, 42x. Here if I multiply by 4, 44x. You will get a value. Similarly, you need to write both the equations. It's a matter of calculations. Can you please do it from your end? Yeah, 61 is to 29 you will get. I'll show you the calculations. Answer is 61 is to 29. You just need to add accordingly. 3x by 5, 7x by 10, 11x by 5. Water portion 2x by 5, 3x by 10, 4x by 15. Solving this, you will get the answer. Yeah, LCM 30 you can do it. Yeah, 30 or 60. Sorry, LCM is 30. That can be more simplified further. If it is, yeah, LCM is 30. So here you need to multiply by 6. So it is 18. Here it is 3. So 21, 7 into 3. Here it is 2. So 22. So here again 30. If it is 6, 2 into 6, 12. If it is 3, 9. If it is 2, 8. Right? So 30, 30 gets cancelled. It is 39. 61 is to 29. Is it clear? Okay. Take a 5 minutes break. We'll continue by 12:05. Those who have doubt, you can ask me. Or else take a break and continue. We'll continue by 12:01, 12:06. We'll continue again. Okay, this question you want me to continue, right? Yeah, I'll do it. Yes. See 3x, 7x, 11x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So totally here 3x by 5 will be acid, 7x by 10 will be acid. In the third container, 11x by 15 will be the acid. Do you agree? Similarly, water portion, 2x by 5, 3x by 10, 4x by 15. The next is an addition. You add all the water portion. So adding the water portion, you need to add like this. Right? 3x by 5, 7x by 10, 11x by 15, 2x by 5, 3x by 10, 4x by 15. So LCM is 30. If you multiply 5 into 12, it's 5 into 6. So 3 into 6, 18x plus 3, 21x plus 22x. So this adding this, 61x by 30. Similarly, you need to add this also 30, 6, 12x, 9x plus 8x. That is 29x by 30. So both the sides x by 30 cancel. 61 is to 29. Okay. This is again a 2011 UPSC question mark. Can you please answer this question? If in a group of persons, 70% of the persons are male, 30% of the persons are married. If 2/7 of the males are married, what fraction of the females is single? Okay. If a group of persons, let us take 100%. If their group is 100 people, right? 70% in the sense 70 are male. Remaining 30 are females, right? In total 100, 30% are married. We don't know how many male, female, but 30 are married. Right? In our question, there is a clue that 2/7 of the males are married. 2/7 of 70 is nothing but 20. That means 20 males are married. Totally 30 are married. In that 20 are male in the sense, rest 10 are female married. Agree? Now the question is, what fraction of the females is single? 20 out of 30 are single. So 2/3 is single. Answer option is D. Anybody having doubt? One third is married, right? They are asking what fraction of the females is single, unmarried. Is it clear? Can we move on? Anybody having doubt, please raise. Okay, I repeat once again. Okay. In a group of persons, 70% of the persons are male and 30% are married. So let me consider a population of 100. In a group, I'm taking a group population of 100. In that 70% are male in the sense 70 are male. 70% out of 100 is 70. Then rest 30 will be females. We have one clue that 30% of the total population is married. That means we don't know how many male, female. Totally out of this 100, 30 are married. The next clue is 2/7 of the males are married. So 2/7 of total males is 70. So 20 are married. So total married is 30. Male alone 20 in the sense. Rest 10 will be female. This is female married. So how many are unmarried females? 20 are unmarried females out of 30. So these people are single. So answer is 2/3. Is it clear? Can we move on, ma'am? Can you please type MO? Good. Please solve this question, ma'am. Okay. So totally 170 applications, 70 are male. That means the rest 50 are female. 80 have a driving license. I think total population 80 have a driving license. Okay. So 120 applications, 70 are male, rest 50 are females. On total 80 have driving license. This is the information given in the question, right? 70 are male in the sense total 120, 50 will be female. And altogether 80 people have driving license. What is the ratio of minimum or to the maximum number of males having driving license? Let me see. There are 70 males. So I'm giving license for everybody. So that is the maximum. That is the maximum, right? When it is minimum, out of this 80 driving license, let me give all to the female. I'm giving to every females. Only left out I'm giving to males. So if I give to all females, 50 will be given. Left will be only 30. That is the minimum people have driving license. So answer is 3:7. What does it means minimum to maximum in the sense? Here, minimum, maximum. Can we give 71 people male license? Is it possible? That is not possible. I can give for only maximum 70 people. But when it will be minimum, let me give for all the females. I will give first all the 50. Whatever left out I am giving to males. That is the another left out will be 30. So 3:7. இப்போ 70 பேருக்கு லைசன்ஸ் இருக்குங்க மேலுக்கு. மொத்தமா 80 பேர்த்துக்கிட்ட லைசன்ஸ் இருக்கு. மேக்சிமம் நான் எவ்வளவு கொடுக்க முடியும்? 70 பேர் தான் மேல் இருக்காங்க. நான் 70 பேர்த்துக்கு கொடுத்தா அதுதான் மேக்சிமம். வேற எக்ஸ்ட்ரா யாரும் கிடையாது இல்லையா? சோ அதனால 70 பேர்த்துக்கு கொடுத்தாச்சு. இதுக்கு மேல மேக்சிமம் நான் போக முடியும். 80 பேர் இருந்தாலும் மேல், பட் ஒன்லி 80 males are there, na? 80 is having driving license, but male itself 70 only there. So maximum limit itself 70, right? Minimum எப்ப இருக்கும்? பாக்கி இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் கொடுத்துட்டு பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கிறத மட்டும் நான் மேல் கொடுத்தேன்னா அதுதான் மினிமம். So whatever the license I have, I'm giving to all the females. Definitely I should give rest 30 to the at any case 30 male will have license. Are you able to understand? I'm just exhausting all the options and finally I'm giving to males. Can we move on to the next question? These all are UPSC questions, ma. Questions are simple but tricky. Next 2-3 questions are UPSC questions. Don't worry, at the end of my class you can master in numbers, you can master in quantitative aptitude. I'm guaranteeing that. Just follow the classes what we do and practice the questions. Okay, so 2 glasses of equal volume or respectively half and 3/4 filled with milk. They are then filled to the brim by adding water. Okay, half and 3/4 filled with milk and the rest portion is filled with water. If the both contents are mixed into another vessel, what is the ratio of milk to water? Try this question, take 2 minutes. Any answers? Yeah, let us check. Brim meaning is like restful portion, whatever completely left, அது வலியற வரைக்கும் நிரம்பற வரைக்கும் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, like we will be up to the top, whatever the left out we will be filling it. Okay, most of you have answered, so I'll just do this. I'm going to do both the ways, 2 ways. Okay. So assume that these both are equal volume. Okay. It may look. Just give me a second. Sharing got closed. I share once again. Okay. Let us assume there are two equal volumes of glasses, as I have shown in the picture, glass 1 and glass 2. One is half filled, right? Half filled in the sense this is half filled, right? 50% got filled. The another one is 3/4 filled. 3/4 is nothing but half is nothing but 50%. 1/4 is nothing but 25%. 3/4 is nothing but 75%. So 3/4 in the sense, let me take, yeah, like this. 75%. So let me assume instead of person, I will tell you in simple things so that you will understand. Percentage, I'll even explain it. Yeah. This is half filled. This is 3/4 filled. 3/4 filled in the sense like this. If let me assume this both are 10 liters glass. That means 5 liters filled with milk, 7.5 liters filled with milk. Do you agree? If it is 10 liter each, half filled is 5 liter, 3/4 filled is 7.5. Rest I am filling with water. So rest 5 liter, here rest is 2.5. So now I mix I both, 5 plus 12.5 is water content, 5 plus 2.5 is milk content. So 125 is to 75, 5 is to 3. Is it clear? Otherwise, half filled, 3/4 filled. This is milk portion, right? Out of 2 part, 1 part is filled with milk. Then rest 1 part will be filled with water. This is 3/4. Out of 4 parts, 3 part is filled with milk. 1/4 will be filled with water. So this is a fraction 4. When I add 5/4, when I add 3 plus 1, sorry, 2 plus 1, 3/4. This is just a fraction addition. Can you able to understand these two methods? Anybody still having doubt? Please explain me, because the same model question was repeated in the next year. This is just a matter of an addition. Can we move on? Ninth question is same model, ma, in that worksheet too. Please do it by your own. I will be moving to 11th question. Ninth question is same ditto model. So no change in that. So I'm not doing that question. Wait a second. I'll just increase the size. Yeah. Can we say whenever you get some income, you will spend something, you will save something. Whatever in your hand is savings, whatever you spent is gone out of your hand. So spending plus savings is nothing but income. But spending can be done in any ways, savings can be done in any ways. So whatever went out of your hand is spending, whatever you have in your hand is savings. This is 3:2. So income ratio is 4:3. Expenses 3:2. Can I say, as per the formula, income minus expenditure, that is spend, is equal to savings? So that is 1:1. Yes. 1:1. This is my savings because income minus expenditure will give me savings. That means each are saving 6,000 rupees. Each are saving one part. In ratio, they are saving one part. If one part is 6K, their income will be 24K and 18K respectively. 24,000 and 18,000. So that is answer options A. Is it clear? Income. Income is equal to expenditure plus savings. In this equation, what I done is income minus expenditure is equal to savings. And savings is one part in ratio, that is equal to 6,000, 6,000. If one part is 6,000, four part will be 24. Similarly, here also each are saving 6,000 only and one part only. So three part will be 18K. Is it clear? Or else, if you want to write an equation, income 4x, 3x, income minus savings is equal to expenditure. Solving this, you will get the answer 8x minus 12,000, that is 12K, I am writing 12,000, 9x minus 18K. So x is equal to 6K. When you substitute in 4x, 24K, in 3x, 18K. Like this also you can able to solve the question. Is it clear for everyone? Income minus savings is equal to expenditure also we can write. Can we move on? Good. Next question also same type. If income is 3, 7 and 4, right? And income of A is 2,400. If this is 3 part is 2,400, 1 part is 800. That means 7 part will be 5,600, 4 part will be 3,200. This is the income, right? Can we do this? A is 3 part he is saving, that amount is given in the question, that is 2,400. If 3 part is 2,400, 1 part is 800, so 7 part is 5,600, 4 part is 3,200. A is saving 300 rupees, so that he may save 2,100 rupees. That is, the ratio is, expense ratio is 4:3:7. And can we able to relate this? Because A is able to save 300 out of 2400. That means he is spending 2100. That is again equal to 4 parts. So one part is 525. So what will be, B will be spending 3 parts into 525. Can you please tell me the answer? 1575 he will be spending. His income is 5600. So subtract this both. Is it clear, ma? Okay, 4:3:5. Anyway, I'll explain once again. See here. This income ratio is given 3:7:4. And they're given A's income is 2400. That means 3 part is 2400 in the sense, 1 part is 800. Right? 3 part is 2800 in the sense, 2800 by 3, 800. 7 into 800, 5600. So I can get the income of B. 4 into 800, 3200. So I got income of A is 2400 and also given A is saving 300 rupees. So income is 2400, savings is 300. So income minus savings will give me expenditure. That is 2100. That should be in the ratio 4:3:5. So this 2200 is equal to 4 parts of expense. If 2100 is 4 part, 1 part is 525. So 3 into 525, I will get expense of B. That is 1575. And I know what is income of B. Income minus expense, I'm getting the savings. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Can we move on? Anybody having doubt? Please raise it. Okay, if any discussion you have, if you want the other method, I'll explain at the end of the class. Okay, you can stay back for 5-10 minutes, I'll tell you. That is only equation method. Can you solve this question on the board? Okay. Present age of the Punit and Appu is 2:3. After 3 years, the ratio of present age of Punit is, okay, 2:3. Punit, Appu is 2:3. Okay. Present age of Punit is 3 years. Okay. If present age of Punit is 3 years, 2 part is 3 years. 1 part is 1.5. Appu should be 4.5 years. Option A. I'm doing from the option first. If Punit is 6 years, 2 part is 6, 1 part is 3, Appu should be 9 years. If Punit is 9 years, 2 part is 9, 1 part is 4.5, so Appu should be 13.5. Option D. If Punit is 4 years, 1 part is 2, so 6 years. After 3 years, this will become, both will increase their age, 6 and 7.5, and that is not in the ratio 3:4. Right? That is not in the ratio 3:4. We can eliminate this. After 3 years, this people will become 9 and 12. Yes, they are in the ratio 3:4. Yes, this is the answer. This 12 and 15.5, that is not. This is 7 and 9. 7:9. This is also gone. Answer option, please. This is with the options. With the equation 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 3/4. Right? Present age of Punit is 2x, present age of Appu is 3x. After 3 years, their age will become 3:4. So this is like this. When you simplify this equation, 8x plus 12 is equal to 9x plus 9. X is equal to 3. Right? Now, x is equal to 3. When you substitute back, you will be able to get the answer. What they're asking is the present age of Punit. That time Punit is 6 years. Because x is 3, 2x and 3x, 6 years and 9 years. Present age, they will be 9 and 12. After 3 years, 9 and 12. So the present age of Punit is 9 years. Is this clear, both the method? It's just the equation writing, ma. Okay, they're asking present age. Sorry. Present age in the sense 6 years. After 3 years only, he will be 9 years. Answer is 6 years. Because the question they're asking is present age. Is it clear, ma? The same question is coming. I'll copy the next question. Okay. The present age of two persons are 36 and 50 years respectively. After n years, the ratio is becoming 3 and 4. Okay, if that is the case, after how many years their age ratio will be 3:4? If it is after 4 years, their age will be 40:54. That is not in the ratio 3:4. After 7 years, 43 and 57, that is also not in the ratio. After 6 years, 42 and 56, yes, Both are divisible by 14. 3 is to 4. Answer is correct. 3 years, 39 and 53. And this is also not in the ratio. So answer is after 6 years, their age will be in the ratio 3 is to 4. Is it clear? If you want to write an equation, the present age is 36 and 50. After how many years plus n is equal to 3 by 4. Solving this, n is equal to 6. Is it clear, ma? This is the equation. Shortcut again. I'm just applying all the years, but after 4 years, in the sense 36 will become 40, 50 will become 54. But that is not in the ratio 3 is to 4. I was not able to simplify it. So gone. After 7 years, 36 will become 43, 50 will become 57. That is also not in the ratio 3 is to 4. After 6 years, 42 is to 56. This can be simplified. 21, 28, again dividing by 3, sorry, 7, 3 is to 4. So this is having the option. So we are going there. Next, another UPSC question. This is an UPSC 2019 question. Okay, let us assume, let the age of Meera, okay, Meera's age is M in 2002. Meenu's age is 1/3 of Meera, they told. So Meenu's age is M by 3. So Meera is, I'll write down here. If Meera is M, Meenu will be m by 3. When this is 2002. In 2010, Mira will become Mira plus 8, m plus 8. Meenu will become m by 3 plus 8. But the question establishes the relationship that, according to the question, in 2010, Meenu's age was half that of Mira. Okay, so Meenu's age, m by 3 plus 8 is equal to half that of m plus 8. So you need to just solve the equation. Okay, solving this. Please solve this equation m by 3. Solve this equation, ma. I think you're getting m is equal to 24. Yeah, I solved it here. Please, you can see here, refer it here. I bought the 1 by 2 this side. This will become 2m by 3 plus 16 is equal to m plus 8. So finally, m is 24 years. M is who? Mira. Mira's age in 2002 is 24 years. Okay. So 2002, 24 years. At that time, Meenu was 1/3 of Mira. That means in 2002, Meenu was 8 years old. When she should have been born 8 years back, that is 1994. Is it clear this question? Anybody having doubt, ma? No, this is an equation, ma. This is, if I want to repeat, Mira's age is m and Meenu's age at the time is 1/3, m by 3. After 8 years, in 2010, m will be m plus 8, m by 3 plus m plus 8. I think this is simple. According to the question, Meenu's age is half of Mira. So Meenu's age is m by 3 plus 8. So we are taking half of m plus 8. Solving this, m is equal to 24. What is that m? M is Mira's age. Mira's age in 2002 is 24. That time Meenu's age is 1/3. So 8 years. So if in 2002 it was 8 years in the sense, she might have born 1994. Is it clear now? Can we move on? Yes. This question. Okay. If it is 1 rupee coin, you will have, for 1 rupee, you will have 1 coin only. For 50 paise, you will have 2 coins. For 25 paise, you will have 4 coins. Understand? If it is 50 paise, the number of coins should be in the ratio like this. Anybody try this question? Wait a second. Sharing got disturbed. One second. Okay. So the value, the number of coins they've given is 2, 2, 3, 4, count, right? But the value 2 rupees will give 2 rupees only. So let us take 2x. But 3 will give, this is a 50 paise, but that will half the value only. 25 paise, 4x by 4. Right? So 4x by 4 is like nothing but it will become x only. So now this is nothing but this is the count, but this is the corresponding value, because value only given, they didn't give the number of coins. So if it is 2 1 rupee coin, I'll get 2 rupees. This is 3, so let me take 2x, 3x, 4x. If it is 50 paise, divide by 2. If it is 25 paise, divide by 4. So now let me write like this: 2x plus 3x by 2 plus x is equal to 180. Can I write like this? Because the total value is equal to 180. Is it clear? When you're solving this, you will get 4x. Take this LCM. 9x is equal to 360. X is equal to 40. Okay. When x is equal to 40, okay, the count is, you can able to find it out. Okay. X is equal to 40. 2x will be 80. 3x will be 120. 4x will be 160. Let us check. If we have 80 1 rupee coin, we'll get 80 rupees. If there is 120 50 paise coins, I will get only 60 rupees. If it is 160 25 paise coins, I'll get only 40 rupees. So totally, am I getting 180 rupees? I repeat once again. The given is 2x, 3x is the number of coins, ma. Because the value is given, I need the ratio of their value also. 2x in the sense 1 rupee will divide by 1, 50 paisa I divide by 2, 25 paisa I divide by 4. So subsequently I'll get 2x is 2, 3x by 2 is 2x. That is what I have added. That should equal to 180. So I'm getting x. If x is 40, 2x will be 80, 3x will be 120, 4x will be 160. Corresponding values. 1 rupee coin will give me 1 rupee value, 50 paise value, 25 paise value. Answer is 180. Is it clear? Okay. We have few questions left, ma. Probably business questions, right? Okay. That when I do the next class, I will add that 3-4 questions and we will complete it. Okay. I hope you're clear with what we have discussed today. All right. If you have any feedback, you can text me if I'm speed or like if you can able to follow. Yeah. Okay. All is okay. You can able to follow me, right? Thank you. Okay. Yes. Please send your feedback. Okay. If it is good or like if it is whatever the thing I have to rectify or if it is good, we can maintain it. Okay. Please share your feedback and you can leave for the day. Those who are doubt, you can stay back. This question I'll repeat once again. Yeah. You cannot divide this by this because this is given for the count. This is if this is number of coins, you can divide directly. Clear? That is why we cannot able to divide it. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. So I will definitely help you. You will be mastering numbers. Don't worry. This is our first class. So we can able to, yeah. Okay. So if it is, I need a little bit fast, you can improve it. Okay. So probably you will also come to my speed, I think. Okay. Thank you. Thanks all for sharing the feedback. Yeah. Answer is 120 for this question. Yeah. Yeah. This feedback I'm getting passions. Okay. How many times people ask also, I will repeat it. Because, yeah. I used to Hema. So like, it was like used to. Thank you, dear students. Thanks for joining. Okay, we'll see by next week. Till then, bye. Done for the day. Thank you, ma. Thank you, everyone.